Do you know what today is? It's my lock-anniversary. My lock-anniversary. Do you know what today is? It's my lock-anniversary. My lock-anniversary. 5 years have passed. I got my edges laid. Long hair, don't care. I don't know what to say. I don't even know how I got here. Somebody come and look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Y'all looking? Oh, I know, right? I am still baffled. It's 5 years, guys. 5 years. Okay? October 1st, 2020. Boy. It was a time, okay? But I am happy with the journey. I can't complain. It's been cool. The hair gods have been very nice to me. 5 years, guys. That is like a very strong commitment, okay? I can't wait to see how long my hair gets, but I'm not sure. I never would have thought it would have got this long, this fast. I know my hair grows fast, and I still have bald-headed syndrome. I still feel like I'm bald-headed, but I know I'm not bald-headed, but I feel like I'm bald-headed, but I'm not though. I know that I'm not. I know I'm not, but I feel like I am. Y'all see this? This is a lot. This is I think I'm past, I'm like right here. And this is my head straight. My wisdom lock is 9 years. Next year we'll make it 10. As y'all can see. The baby. Will I continue to dye my hair? Yes, I will. I know y'all see them marching right in the front. I can say within the journey, I've dyed it about like maybe 4 times. Every year I dye my hair. I dye it twice. I do a semi-permanent and then I do a permanent. Thanks so much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. I just want to give a shout out to my OGs. How y'all doing? Y'all good? Somebody said something back there. What you said? Huh? Man, just DM me. We'll talk about that later. I know. It's hard out here for a pimp. Listen, we done paid the rent though. Yeah, okay, we done paid the rent. Okay. And to my new subscribers, hey, what's up? Hello. Y'all done turn on your bell notification? Okay, cool. So the next time I come on here, you gonna know. Okay, cool. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.